Welcome to the Rig and Farm YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about square foot gardening. To start, use a tape measure to mark every 12 inches along your garden bed on all four sides. Once completed, you'll staple lengths of twine across the beds. It'll go by a lot faster if you have a partner. One person will hold and cut the string while the other staples. The two of us completed this within a few minutes per bed. Ours are 4 by 12 feet. This is what it looked like when we finished. The benefits of square foot gardening really appealed to our situation. You get high yields in a relatively small space, setup is fast, and the maintenance is minimal. Proper planning and research for each crop will determine whether you plant 1, 4, 9, or 16 seeds or plants to a square. There's nothing wrong with having different crops within the same square as long as they're good companion plants. Here we are transplanting some Swiss chard that we bought while we wait for our chard we started from seed to get ready to transplant. Once your crops are growing across the beds, there will be little to no room for weeds to grow, so you'll spend more time enjoying your garden and less time pulling weeds. We have 4 beds, so we built an affordable and simple irrigation system to water everything. Subscribe to our channel and watch for that tutorial. There are people that don't like this method of gardening, but we have an argument for each reason. The first is expense. The initial cost will vary depending on the type of wood you use and the source of your soil. We purchased 5 tons of soil for our beds that we put on top of cardboard and sticks from our yard. You can add several feet of yard debris to the bottom of a very deep bed to save on soil costs. It will break down and provide great drainage. You'll be able to compost over the course of a year and add it to the beds before the next season to add plenty of nutrients for that year's crops. Others will say that you're limited and can't grow crops that will take up a lot of space. That's where a trellis comes into play. There's a video for that coming as well. Another complaint is about inadequate depth. If your beds are on soil, the cardboard will break down and allow the roots to go into the ground below. If you're on concrete, you will need a bed that is at least 12 inches high. One more disadvantage is the need for frequent watering. That's why we put the irrigation system in. Covering the soil with straw or mulch will also keep the moisture in the soil during hot, sunny days. We added marigolds to our beds for their natural pest deterring properties, and it's also a nutritious snack for our chickens. Thanks for watching, and please give the video a thumbs up. We really appreciate it.